Yay, I'm vlogging. This is what I'll do.
I will show you one part of my house.
That's what I do.
I'm watching football.
One challenge to do. I construct like Squidward.
No. Hello? Oh, this is not the phone. Yay.
Stop recording on my butt. You have to stop recording. And I am red.
I'll choose whatever shoes. I'll do one blue and one red.
No, I just wanted to see what you say. I thought you'd say no.
What are you searching for? You're searching for books?
No, not books. There's only one thing to do.
We're going to the library.
I gotta run. I gotta run. I gotta run.
I see all cookies right here. Those are not my cookies. Must be really cold outside. Here's my lamp. And here's where I throw you in the pit. Where are you? Oh, okay. Here you are. Here you are. Let's go. In the office. Here's my flower. Let's go. It's raining, but I don't care. It's raining, but I don't care. It's raining. Stop it. It's raining, but I don't care. It's raining.
And you're in your underwear.
I'm in my underwear. Now we're driving in the car going to the library. You're in your underwear.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to the bookstore.
Oh no, it's a tornado. No. Oh no. Oh no. Ella. You need help. Let's fast forward it.
I'm in your underwear.
Stop it, Ray. I don't want this bag. Why is this bag in my car? Why is this bag in my car? Ha, you're going in here. Okay, I just want to go in here because this is a cute thing. We're going to the bookstore. And this is one of so fun. I want to go to the bookstore so bad. And it's going to be fun. So, yeah, and why am I like this? I gotta turn my camera. If I can do it. Yeah, this is gonna be so fun. Spider-Man. Does whatever a spider can. Okay, this is what happened to our car. Okay. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round.
What do we do?
This is just a movie, kids. Don't worry.
Just kidding.
Hey guys, I'll burn your eyes. Yeah, W. Yeah.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Yeah, there I am, right over there. 3.
Just a movie. I gotta get there.
What do I do? Do. Why am I red? No, wait, what? Why am I not red?
This is how we do fun in the car. A tornado comes, there's no tornado. I'm just kidding. Yes. Okay, I'm going to get there right now. Just you see. Where? There's the train. I see it. I see the train.
Oh my God.
I'm recording the train. I'll just keep on recording the train.
Not fooling around. Let's get to the library.
I'm at bookstore.
Ah!
Yay.
Shut your damn dirty mouth.
Take some pictures. Okay, I'm done. I guess we're here.
They're here. It's Michael Jackson. Ah, I see Star Wars up there. You're a dork. Yay, we
Step off on time.
We're going up the stairs. We're going up the stairs. We have to go up the stairs and we're done. Sickles. The reason why I was laughing because of this thing, it was like on my back and it was like doing stuff on my back. So, yeah. Hey, I know this guy. It's Spider-Man. Hey, look, it's Shrek. I forgot who. Oh, it's Clem. Oh, I meant Clark Kent. I want those minion goggles. No fair they have those. Hey, look, it's Batman. Slaying the tiger. You're a dork. Oh, look, it's Max the Brave. I don't know that guy. We're in the wrong book with the cat. Well, this is fun. I don't... Mommy won't give me anything, so... Yeah. Skeleton for dinner. You're my dinner. What is this film? It's no film. Hey, guys, and we're back. And that was short, but I don't care. Ah! Here's my daddy. He wants to watch TV. Yay! Yay. Poopsa doo-doo.